Hey guys, so today we'll be doing sprite animation using only a smartphone. So if you're a student who doesn't use a computer or laptop, you can use this one. So the first thing that I did was creating the backgrounds using Ibis Paint and Pixel Art Animation. So I didn't encounter any problems except sobrang natagalan at nahirapan talaga ako using Ibis Paint. But it's bearable kasi sanay naman na ako as a student na talagang gumagamit ng Ibis Paint. I am capable of doing it na kasi gamay ko na siya. But then, one thing I found sa internet is yung creating a pixel art na lang, no? So, I create the pixel art, remove the backgrounds, using the pixelart.com. So, ayan naman, madami naman silang color of choices. Meron silang mga layers, mga frames, mga tools na kailangan mong gamitin. And complete naman. So, dito lang sa pixel art, what I found na medyo talagang papaguran mo is yung kakapain mo pa talaga siya, no? As hindi pa kasi ako sanay sa mga pixel art animation because I'm only using Ibis Paint. So, talagang bago lang siya sa akin, no? So, ayun, kompleto naman siya. There's no problem. Kaya, I created a lot of arts katulad nito. Yan. And this one. Which is hindi ko naman nagamit. Ayun lang. Tapos ngayon, sa animation naman sa kanila, sa frames by frames animation naman nila, ayos naman actually. As you can see from the screen, okay naman. So, after that, we'll be doing the compiling using the CapCut. So, patapos ko gawin yung mga backgrounds, yung mga kailangan gawin, tulad ng sprite animation using the pixel art nga, okay naman, carefree. So, the next is compilation na lang. I did the compilation and I did the frame by frame, not frame by frame actually, but yung framing ng accessible sa CapCut. Which, okay naman. Nagagamit naman siya maayos kasi kapado ko din ang CapCut. So, there's no problem naman when it comes to that. So, when you're a student na wala talagang magamit, tulad ko, kasi last week, my monitor just broke down and I have nothing to use. Kaya, if ever man na need mo, these are the following platforms na kailangan. Thank you!